Welcome back to Homes and Spaces. I'm Nick, real estate broker and interior designer.
And I'm Corey, real estate broker and general contractor. Each week, we judge a new home and tell you whether it's a hit or, in some cases, a historic heartbreak.
Speaking of historic heartbreaks, if you've spent any time around Capitol Hill, you've seen them. Once grand mansions, now chopped into tiny apartments, stripped of their charm, character, and dignity.
Sad but true. Many of these homes had incredible bones that are now segmented into confusing drywall mazes with sad little kitchenettes in the corner.
But not today. Today's home has been updated without losing the character that made it special in the first place.
This place respects its history while maximizing livability. That's rare, but don't worry, we're here to break it all down.
High above Ogden Street in Denver's historic Capitol Hill, this home is a rare blend of old world elegance and thoughtful modern updates. Original craftsmanship meets today's comforts.
From the spacious front porch with its beadboard ceiling to the primary's custom cabinetry and walk-in closet, every inch of this home has been carefully considered. And with the private lock-off unit downstairs, it isn't just a beautiful home, it's versatile too.
All right, so we went to check this one out in person, and let me tell you, pictures don't fully capture the vibe. Walking through a home like this, you feel the history in the walls, but it flows like something new.
Too true. The craftsmanship, the scale, the updates, incredible. But it all hits differently when you're actually in the space. So we grabbed the footage, and now we're going to show you the full tour before we share our take. At 120 years old, this Capitol Hill beauty has aged with grace. Welcome to Ogden Street. I'm Corey, this is Nick, and we're with Cody Homes eXp Realty.
Hello, and thank you for joining us. We cannot wait to show you this truly special, historic Denver estate. With 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, this home has it all.
It really does, but it hasn't been taken too far. The updated modern kitchen and bathroom spaces of this home still echo an era of craftsmanship long past.
He's right. It's a feeling that you get when you are in this space. We're happy to show you with a private tour anytime. But for now, come along.
What stood out to me right away was how much of the historic feel it kept intact. So many homes like this get over modernized, but this one, they respected its roots while still providing what you need to live comfortably today, like closet space.
Totally. For me, that living room with a fireplace right next to the dining room, yes, please. It gives you that timeless, elegant experience that you expect from a home of this caliber. And with those high ceilings, it feels grand and dignified.
And then you've got that kitchen in the back of the house, like you'd expect some pastry chef to be working on a masterpiece. Like, where are the cameras on this set? That said, it's not open concept, which might be a turnoff for some people, but honestly, it works. The kitchen stands on its own, and it's done right. Big island, modern appliances, good flow.
And you've got that great backyard setup. It's private, it's clean, and it actually feels like an extension of the home. Perfect for entertaining or just stepping outside with a glass of wine and pretending you're not in the middle of the city.
That's the vibe that does it for me. That primary bedroom really impressed, though. It's spacious, has a wood burning fireplace, and an incredibly luxurious ensuite. Double vanity, clawfoot tub, modern shower, the works. And then you've got the oversized balcony right off the bedroom. That space is literally next level.
And let's not forget the other bathrooms. They've been updated beautifully. What I love is that they didn't go too trendy. You've got timeless style choices that still feel fresh. That kind of restraint takes taste.
There's also a separate lock-off unit downstairs, which we didn't get to tour in person, but it's a solid setup. It's got its own entrance, kitchen, living room, all that. Rent it out, use it as a guest suite, or keep it as part of the house. It's a big bonus.
Only thing I'll call out, this house wasn't professionally staged, and you do notice some rooms felt a little awkward. Even with a beautiful house, staging still matters.
True. Oh, and we can't leave without mentioning the basement. Full-sized, unfinished, and I'll be honest, a little creepy. But it's got potential. Could be storage, a gym, a wine cellar, whatever you want, if you're brave enough.
All right, verdict time. This home is a rare find. It honors its historic roots while delivering modern livability. And that's not easy to pull off. With a little design magic, it could shine even brighter.
Agreed. The layout works, the craftsmanship is solid as can be, and the updates feel intentional. It's not for someone chasing ultra-modern minimalism, but if you love classic charm with real substance, this one's a win.
If you're into homes with soul, this is your kind of property. And if you're thinking about buying, selling, renovating, or just want to talk design, we've got you covered.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What was your favorite feature? The balcony, the kitchen, or was it the spooky with potential basement?
We'll be back next week with another home to judge. Until then, keep dreaming and keep scrolling those listings, even if you're not buying yet.
Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time on Homes and Spaces.